Hello guys, welcome to Dan's IT Network. And for today's video is I will teach you how to restore and backup a config file using a text file or a notepad. Okay, so as you see on the network design, okay, there is a computer connected to the router using console cable, and this is a, TFTP server, all right, and this is a one client computer. Okay, so we will not be using this TFTP server then, okay, because instead of restoring and saving the file to the TFTP server, we will just use a text file and notepad instead. Okay, all right, so let's ignore this TFTP server. Okay, so the this router, I already configured the router, the SSH and the telnet, so that we can connect from this PC to the router. Okay, so I'll open up the this PC and let's connect to the router using SSH. Okay, so I'll type here SSH space dash L for login, and then the username is admin. Okay, and then the password that I'm sorry, not the password, the IP address of the router, which is this one, is 192.168.1.1. Okay, and the password that I created is password 12345. Okay, and now it says welcome to Dan's IT network, and I'll type enable, and the password would be for enable password is password 1234. Okay, and let's view the running configuration. I'll type here show space run. Okay, so this is the running configuration of the router. Okay, this router, this is the running configuration starting here. Okay, so it has here host name R1, the enable password is 1234. This is the local username and this is the local password, and the SSH version 2 is enabled. It has a domain name cisco.com, and it has here an IP address 192.168.1.1, registered on the gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and it has a banner, and also the line VTY is configured. It says here login local. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna copy this running configuration. Right. Starting here. Okay, so this is the show run, right? And then I'll copy it starting here, going down, all right, going down up to end. Okay, and then I'll right click, then I'll copy, and then I'll go to Notepad. Okay, I'll go to Notepad on my computer or any text file though if you have one. I'll paste it in here. So this is the running configuration of the router. So let me close this one. Okay. So this is the running configuration. So let me adjust this one so that we can see. Okay, I'll just want it here. Okay, all right. So on this notepad, I can save this file. Okay, on my local computer though. Okay, let's say for example that the router goes down, or let's say if you accidentally delete the running configuration on this router, then we can use this text file instead to restore back the configuration. So how are we going to do that? Let's do some experiment. Okay, let's erase the running configuration on this router. Okay, so I'll go to this computer and I need to go back to the router, and let's erase the running configuration. Okay, um, let's type here. So I am on the privilege mode. I need to type erase space startup dash sorry start up dash config. Okay, and it says in here, erase the NVRAM file system will remove all the configuration files. I would say, of course, hit enter to confirm. Okay, and now it's completely deleted. And then let's reload the router. Okay, let's type reload, hit enter to confirm. And as you see, since you know, we were disconnected, okay, so it says in here, connection timeout, remote host not responding. Okay, so because we erased the configuration, the IP address was gone on this interface. That is why we cannot connect anymore to the router. Okay, so let's close this. The next thing that we need to do is we need to connect a computer using a console cable to go inside the router. Okay, so let's say I have a USB port and I save the note the this notepad to the USB, and I use the USB to this PC. All right, and then I'll open up this PC and I'll go to the terminal. I'll hit OK. All right, and now I'm already on the inside the router. So I would say no on this one, and then I'll type here enable. Okay, and then let's view the running configuration. Show run. Okay, so as you see, the running configuration on this router is now gone, right? Because we erased the running configuration though. The enable password's not showing anymore, local password, even the IP address is not showing, the SSH enable is also not showing, and the banner is not showing. Okay, so let's restore back the running configuration using the notepad, right? Okay, so I'm gonna copy all of this from the end, or I would say Control A and then Control C. Okay, and then I'll go to the COMT, to the configure terminal, and I would right click on this one and I would paste it. Okay, and then I'll hit enter, and you notice that line by line the command um, was inputted. Okay, so it says in here host name and then enable password. Okay, and username admin password and password 12345. Good to go. Okay, all right, and I'll hit enter on this one, and let's view again the running configuration. Let's see the difference. Show run. There you go. So I was able to bring it back, the running configuration, the host name R1, the enable password, and also the local username and local password, and the SSH version and IP address, and the banner MOTD. Welcome to Dance IT Network, right? And other good thing that we can do in here is um, we can also edit the command using the notepad. Let's say I would like to change this host name, like I want it to be like this, Dance IT Network. Okay? And I want to change the password. Let's say I want it to be Cisco. And also for this local username and local password, let's say the same one. It will be Cisco. Okay, and I'm gonna Control A, and then I'm gonna copy it all. Okay, and I'll go back to the router. Okay, so I'll type here CompT, and then So I am on the global config mode, so I can paste all of the commands that I wanted to, right? So I can right click and then paste, okay? And I'll hit enter here, hit enter, and then I'll type here show run, okay? And let's see, there you go. So the host name, okay, was changed to a Dance IT Network, and the password was changed into Cisco, and also the local password was changed to a Cisco. All right. Well, that's a good thing. In the Notepad, you can edit the running configuration, and it's good to go.